Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and ToddyTalksCrafts.com. I am the author of a wonderful new book called Potholder Loom Weaving, and one of my most favorite projects in the book is, sorry about that, actually one of the smallest projects in the book. It is the Comfort Thumb Hugging Bear. Now, as you can see, I have been busy weaving up. Yes, there are 50 little Comfort Thumb Hugging Bears here ready to go off to their new homes. I have been weaving them up like mad for there's three particular groups that I'm kind of busily supporting right now, and they are a child advocacy group here in Edmonton and a community in northern Saskatchewan that's going through a really hard time. And so I am just weaving up a storm to get the Comfort Bears out into the world. Now, I make little origami boxes to hold 10 of them at a time. It helps me keep track of where I'm at. If you'd like, I can easily make a video showing how to make the origami boxes. If you want to know how to do that too, just let me know. So I hope that you'll join me in making lots and lots and lots of the Comfort Bears, because, oh my goodness, the world needs kindness, compassion, and I know that people who are drawn to this kind of weaving have got kindness and compassion pouring through their veins. So thanks for joining me in making lots of wonderful Comfort Bears. I also keep them in my pockets because you never know when you're going to meet someone who just needs a little love, a little caring. Happy weaving. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.